Are you tired of writing the same emails and messages again and again? What if I told you there is a tool that can eliminate copy paste forever? Today I'm gonna show you a game changing magical tool that will completely transform the way you type. Meet Insertkit, the perfect solution to save your time and boost your productivity. Insertkit allows you to create your own shortcuts for emails, messages, replies, descriptions, literally anything. And with just typing that shortcode, your full content is instantly inserted wherever you are typing. Now let me show you how easy it is to use. First of all, go to insertkit.com, click on Get Started and create an account. Yes, it's completely free to get started. I already have an account, so I'm logging in. Once you sign in, you will see an interface like this. Since I have used it before, you can see I already have some shortcuts created. Now let me show you how you can create your own shortcut from scratch. Click on New Shortcut. First, choose a shortcut code. For example, I will type my email. Then I give it a title, let's say my email address. Now here is another part, is access level. You can keep it private or you can use team access. If you are working with a team and want to share templates, you will need the team plan. Here is a category option. You can categorize your shortcodes. Then paste your main content. I will add my email address here. Once done, click on Create Shortcut and boom, your shortcut is ready. As you can see, the shortcut is now listed below. You can create as many shortcuts as your plan allows. Now to actually use Insertkit, you need to download the software. Go to the download section. Here you will see two options, Windows Desktop app and Chrome extension. We highly recommend the Windows Desktop app. Why? Because with the Windows version, you can use your shortcuts anywhere on your computer, like emails, browsers, Messenger, WhatsApp, documents, everywhere. The Chrome extension will only work inside the browser. So, download the Windows software and install it. After installing, open Insertkit. Sign in using your email and password. Once logged in, you will see all your shortcuts right here. You can even create new shortcuts directly from your software. Let me create a test shortcut with a long message so you can see how powerful this is. Done. Shortcut created. Now let's see this in action. I will go to my email. As soon as I type my email, boom, the full email address appears instantly. Now I'll type my long content shortcut. And just like that, the entire long message is inserted. No copy paste, no scrolling, just one shortcut. You can insert long descriptions, full email replies, customer responses, proposals, anything with just a few keystrokes. This is a huge time saver, especially for freelancers and customer support teams. One important thing to remember, when you restart your PC or laptop, make sure to open Insertkit again, otherwise the shortcuts will not work. By the way, Insertkit also has a very useful clipboard feature. It's optional, but honestly, it can be a lifesaver also. If you click on the Clipboard tab, you will be able to see your clipboard history, meaning anything you copied before will not be lost anymore. You can easily recopy your previous text whenever you need it. You can store up to 149 copied items, which is more than enough for a daily work. And if privacy is a concern, you can simply turn off clipboard history or use the Clear All button to erase everything instantly. If you press Ctrl plus Shift plus Z, the clipboard will instantly pop up. You can also pin the clipboard window so it stays fixed on your screen and you can use it whenever you need without opening it again and again. Insertkit offers both free and premium plans. You can start completely free and upgrade only if you need more features. And I'm confident it will make your life easier. That's it for today. Stay healthy, stay productive, and work smarter, not harder.